Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favor, and today I'm going to be showing y'all my morning skincare routine. Something's wrong with me. Anyways, if this is your first time watching me, don't let this be the last. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that little red button so you're notified every single time that I upload. Alright, let's hop into it. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys how my face looked in my evening skincare compared to now where I'm doing my morning skincare. Also, the area by my lower lips, that's not from acne. I actually got a burn there and I've been treating it with my aloe. Also, I'm doing this just to bring you guys along with my journey and to continue to motivate you guys to continue doing what you're doing. And like I always say, you're beautiful, you're awesome, and yeah, let's hop right into this. So I started off by running the water for a little bit, and this is just to get it to be a little bit warmer, after which I proceeded to rinse my face with it, and by so doing I'm opening up my pores, after which I proceeded to wash my face with my oil-free Acne Wash Neutrogena Cleanser. I got this at Target. You can also find this at Giant and I believe Walmart. I will be attaching the links to everything I use in the description, so keep an eye out for that. So I typically, wash my face for about, 30 seconds to about a minute. And also, like I mentioned in my evening skincare, this contains aloe leaf extract, chamomile flower extract, and citric acid, which all acts as an antioxidant. This helps reduce your inflammation. It also allows the skin to repair itself, and it also contains vitamin C, which helps your skin glow. The chamomile flower extract itself helps unclog your pores. It also acts as an exfoliator, and also helps even out your skin and brighten up your skin. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Rapid Clear Stubborn Acne Cleanser by Neutrogena. This contains 10% benzoyl peroxide, and this is the maximum strength. Also, just a quick story. I started using this around winter 2019. So basically, the story of this is like I got this from, I believe, Target. Once again, I shop from Target a lot, so I got this from Target. And then the first night that I used it, I read that this really dries out your skin, and I was like, oh yeah, bet I really need this in my life. I need this in my life because one, I have super oily skin, and two, I had a lot of bumps on my face, and three, I was going back to school soon, and I just wanted to look decent for spring semester. So I used this for the first time around January 8th. I'm gonna attach pictures and make sure that the dates and time are all there. So I used this on January 8th, and I'm like, okay, this is like really cool, and I felt like I felt a tingling sensation. I was like, oh yeah, this is really working. So I got a little selfish and I left this on my face for 30 minutes. Guess what? The next day I woke up around 6 to pee, and I broke down. Like, I remember this so clearly because this is one of the many nights that I cried myself back to sleep. So I woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning after peeing. I looked at my face and I was like, what? I just couldn't believe it, and I just broke down crying, literally. So yeah, whenever I use this, I try to stop at the second line on my index finger. So this helps me control how much of it I use. And like I mentioned in my previous video, I would advise you to use it every other day for the first week, and then gradually proceed to using it every day or even every 3 days. And even if you're doing every other day, I wouldn't advise you to use it morning and night. Just use it in the morning and then skip nighttime, skip the entire day the next day, and then proceed to using it just once again the next day. So yeah, this is really powerful, guys. Like, this is powerful. It's very powerful. Next, I'm gonna be going in with my Dickinson Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner, alcohol-free with rose water. It's like I'm gonna be going in with my Dickinson Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner. This is alcohol-free and it has rose water in it. So all I can say about this product is, if you haven't tried it, then sis, what are you doing? This is literally $5 and some change. I got this at Target or either Giants. I can't remember, but I got it for $5 and some change, and I believe you can find it way cheaper on Walmart. Anyways, I use this for everything. Like, trust me, I use this to take out my makeup. Sometimes I use this before I actually even start my evening time routine or my morning time routine. I use this whenever I feel like I have an acne coming in. Also, am I the only one that knows when an acne is coming in? Like, you kind of just feel like your face is getting tighter, you know, just irritated. So whenever that happens in between the day, I just go ahead and use this. Also, let's not forget that rose water helps the skin's pH balance. Not just that, it also controls excessive oil. And have I mentioned oh my gosh, I have super oily skin. Like, girl, you can literally fry plantain on my face. But anyways, rose water also helps also helps reduce redness or just, you know, any irritation that you have, and it also helps get rid of your acne. So girl, hop on this and use it, because it is going to help tone your skin. It's going to help with everything. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Kiva Tea Tree Oil Acne Treatment Cream. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I don't play with this. Oh my gosh, guys, this literally is everything to me. This is my #1 acne treatment cream, and like I mentioned in my previous video, I try to do a combination of both. I do acne wash and acne treatment, so that way it stays on my face and continues to work throughout the day. Also, let's not forget that tea tree oil contains anti-inflammatory properties, which helps calm redness, swelling, and inflammation. So yeah, you better hop on this, like, period. Once again, I'm going to be going in with my Ambi. It's either called Ambi or Ambi. This is a fading cream. It literally just helps your dark spot, and a lot of people sleep on this, and I kind of understand why people will sleep on it, because it takes forever to work. You have to use it for a long period of time before you start seeing progress. I believe I started seeing progress into month 3 or even more. I'm not sure, but consistency, guys. Consistency is the key. I also wanted to mention that this is not heavy at all. It's super light and it blends well into the skin. So yeah, I would not be using it if it were heavy. Also, you want to make sure to get your neck, so that way if you have any dark spots on your neck, you just gradually fade them as well. Last but not the least, I'm going to be going in with my Neutrogena Clear Face Breakout Free Liquid Lotion Sunscreen. This has SPF of 55. I started using this during summer of 2018, back when I was in Baltimore. So I started using this back in summer 2018. I particularly chose this because, like it said, won't cause breakout, and it really does not cause a single breakout. Like, ever since I've started using this, it has not been the cause of my acne. It's just my stupid skin, guys. Anyway, yeah, this really works well. I noticed that 4 hours into using it, that it does make my face, it does make my face a little more greasy, and it does make my face kind of look white. So I've kind of been looking for a new one. If you have any recommendations, please make sure to leave that in the comment section. Don't be selfish. Make sure to leave that in the comment section. And yeah, alright guys, that pretty much completes my morning skincare routine. The next clip that you're gonna see is gonna be of me making my morning tea, and yes, every single tea that I have has something to do with my acne. Not do with it, but it has really nice properties in them that are acne friendly. So yeah, let's hop into that. So today I'm going to be using my green tea. This also has lemon in it, and it also contains healthy antioxidants. And like I mentioned, antioxidants helps reduce inflammation and also allows your skin to repair itself. I'm also going to be adding some lemon, 2 slices of lemon and some honey to my tea. Like, alright, let me stop. Anyways, this pretty much completes this video. I'm going to leave you guys by saying, do not feel obligated to get any of the things that I mentioned in this video. Try to understand yourself first. Try to understand your skin types. Try to understand what your skin needs before you hop into buying products. This is one of the mistakes that I personally made when I started seeing that my acne was not that it was not ordinary. It was not ordinary acne. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Let me know if you have any suggestion. And yeah, thank you all so much, and don't forget to share this video, guys. Please share and subscribe. Thank you all, and ciao.